Hi, everybody, and welcome to May, right? April showers bring May flowers. So today we're going to talk about Mayflower Granny Power. And in this 31-day series, I'm going to share my favorite flower granny square projects with you. I love these groovy, fun project ideas, and with the warmer weather, granny projects are perfect. They're small, easy to bring along on trips, and nice to save up for cooler weather to piece together. So let's get started. Okay, everybody, here we are with day 30, and this is a beautiful pattern by rosehiptypepad.com. It's called the Granny 3D Flower Square, and obviously it's three-dimensional, which is why they call it the 3D. It looks very simple, and honestly, I'm not super crazy about this color choice we have here, but I love this color choice. So when you put them all together, it's just really pretty, and it is definitely the classic granny square and granny border pattern. So a lot of these patterns that I've showed have kind of gotten further and further away from the granny square and more into just a motif. But this one is definitely granny. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and take a closer look at these granny clusters. So like I said, this is by rosehip.typepad.com, and she just says Eureka, so it looks like she's been trying to work on this pattern for a while and maybe just finished it. But this is a pretty old pattern. This is from November 20th, 2008, so this one's been out there for quite a while. There's not a ton of pictures on the website, but there is the directions right here, and what I love about this is, yay, no ads, right? I don't see any ads that will drive you crazy while you're working on this pattern. So like I said, not a lot of pictures of this pattern, but here's a nice close-up one that we can take a look at. It's just pretty. And like I said, it's definitely very granny square. There's definitely a lot of those classic, those classic double crochet granny clusters that make up this pattern. Yeah, so let me know what you think of this, what colors you would use if you were going to make it. Are you a fan of the classic granny cluster look, or are you more of the solid granny kind of person? Let me know. I'm curious. Until tomorrow, which will be our last day of this series, I hope you're having a great day, and look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Okay, everybody, bye-bye.